So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Nintendo Switch 2's internet and Wi-Fi is just not working. Now, there's a couple of different things and reasons why this could be happening. Number one, you just want to make sure that within your Nintendo Switch 2, you are connected to a Wi-Fi connection or an Ethernet connection if it's on your dock. So go inside of your Nintendo Switch 2 settings and go inside of your internet, and all you want to do is make sure you are connected to some sort of internet connection there. That's pretty much the first thing I'd recommend doing, and that's going to be one of the easier things to kind of do to kind of fix this problem. Now, if you do that and that doesn't seem to be fixing the problem, make sure you're not on airplane mode either, right? Just make sure you're not on airplane mode. That's another thing I recommend doing there as well. Now, on top of that, another thing you might want to try doing here too is to try restarting your Nintendo Switch 2. So what this basically means is you can go through and you can essentially hold down on your power button right up here. So hold down on your power button, and then I'd recommend going through and basically just restarting your Nintendo Switch 2. That's another really big thing I'd recommend doing here as well. And I definitely will tell you, if you're going to go through, if you're going to go and try one of these things, that is another thing I'd recommend doing, to basically go through and restart your Nintendo Switch. Now, another thing I recommend doing too, if that's not working, is to try seeing if the Wi-Fi connection you're connecting to is the problem. You can try restarting your Wi-Fi router, try maybe using a different method like that, because that might be the main way to go and fix it here too. If that's still not working, you might want to try going through and seeing if you can somehow maybe connect to a different Wi-Fi connection and try updating your Nintendo Switch that way. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.